Squawk. Squawk. You know what, Polly? I'm sick of it. I'm sick of you going squawk and screaming at people. Can you just knock it off? Ah, you're so annoying! Ah, nah, screw this place. I gotta move. Hey, Glaceon.
Oh my god, if Toonlink is trying to hit on me again, I'm actually going to hit him like a frying pan or something. What do you want, Toonlink?
Hey, which one of us is hotter? Me or him?
None of you.
Hey man, don't look at me. I was dragged into.
Shut it. You are all ugly. You look like a cartoon character. But I'm Toonlink. Shut up!
Hey Shadow!
What is it now, Sonic?
I challenge you to a fight. You wanna throw hands with me, Shadow the Hedgehog, the ultimate life form, the most superior and epic and coolest awesome person in the entire yeah, literally no one thinks that about you, so yeah, you can just stop it. I challenge you to a fight. That hurt my feelings very badly. Finally, that was a good dream. Good thing Leafy didn't wake me up this time. Hey, let's go. Leafy's in here today. Hey, good morning, Pop. Polly, stop it, please. Please. Polly? No. No scream. No scream. Oh, dang, so annoying. I'm gonna ask Tails about this. Oh, hey, Embryon, what brings you to my lab today? Why is Polly screaming all the time? Polly? You mean that? Oh, you mean that Polly? Yeah. What's up with her? Geez, I think she's like. Hey, I'm gonna go call up my friend Sonic. I'll be right back. Dang, this is gonna take 5 years. Hold up, I'm getting a call. Yo, Tails? Yeah, Sonic. Can you, like... I know this is gonna seem impossible, but can you pluck a feather off of Polly? What? I'm gonna get killed, Tails. Do you want me to die? Well, sorta, but Tails! Come on, man, just do it. I did a bunch of stuff for you. Like what? That time I saved you from an erupting volcano. Alright, come on, Sonic, grab on! I don't feel so good. Come on, do it! Sonic, you're so heavy. Maybe you should... Tails, please, I'm scared. I wanna go home. We are going home, Sonic. You're so heavy. Ugh. Chill out with the chili dogs next time. That hurt my feelings. That was one time.
Later. So much later that the old narrator got tired of waiting and they had to hire a new one.
Okay, I get it. I'll go pluck the feathers off. Got it? Thank you. Wait, where'd you get here? Never mind. Squawk. Squawk. Okay, bring it on, you oversized. You oversized. Squawk. Wait, I didn't get to think of a name. Oversized angry bird. Alright, fine. What if I just use my super speed? Squawk. Squawk. Alright, let's go. And here's one for the road, Polo. You know, for the fastest thing alive, this guy's playing really slow. Hey, I'm back. Where's the feather? It's right in my hand. What feather? I don't see it. It's right here. I don't see anything. It's right here. Sonic, I don't think you grabbed the feather. Yes, I did. I know what I grabbed. I felt it. Put it in my hand. Put it in my hand. What? No, if you have it, then you can put it in my hand, right? Yeah? Then do it. Do it. Come on. I'm waiting.
Oh, it's like video game logic.
Sure it is. After months of research data, hours after hours of research data, Tails had finally found the cure as to why Polly is acting like a maniac.
Also, who told you could be narrator?
You know, this guy is pretty fast. Why is he taking so long? Sonic, I found the cure! Really? What is it? Polly's acting insane because no one gave her crackers. It took you hours to figure out that, to come to that conclusion. Shut up! All you gotta do is give her a cracker. Is it like the invisible one? No, the real ones! Okay, you oversized Angry Bird. Time to get down to business. Squawk. Grrr. Oh, wait. Grrr. Here. Squawk. Here you go, Polly. I think all you were missing was a bit of crackers. Squawk. Eat it! I think I fed it. Hey, Sonic, I think you killed it.
What? I would never kill anything.
It's not moving. Hey, wake up. Sonic, you killed it.
What? No way.
It's not moving. Wait. Oh, shoot.